Hey, I just got in the kayak, first time kayaking in a long time. It's a little windy, so I don't know, but we're on the water now. I didn't bring a mount for the GoPro, so I'll have to periodically stop to film. So wish me luck. Try to get another bit of a video before the wind pushes me into the shore, which it's doing now, so I'm gonna have to stop again. Okay, now I'm probably gonna drift into the other shore. Hopefully I'll get the hang of this kayaking thing in a bit. It's peaceful out here. It's the RV park there, so I haven't gone very far yet. Out here the wind's really blowing. Oops, I'm going into the lily pad field. The guy up there fishing. I haven't seen any wildlife yet. No alligators, thank goodness, but no birds either. So hi there. I'm still surviving, I'm still afloat and having a good time. It's nice and peaceful out here. I'm losing the hard-fought ground with the wind blowing me back. At least I'm doing this so that I'm into the wind on the outward way, and I'll have the wind behind me coming home unless it changes. Whoa! Fish just jumped out of the water. Cool. Trees over there are blooming. I know they got a whitish bark. I'm not a good tree identifier, but I don't know if they're birch of some sort or what along the river. Again, as soon as I stop, I start drifting with the wind. Reflecting here, this would be something that Sharon would love to do. She always wanted to kayak and always begged me to kayak, and I don't find the sitting position all that comfortable, although this sit-upon kayak that I have here is reasonably comfortable, and I can move my legs around. So this is for you, baby. I miss you. First bird I've seen. I don't have a camera with a telephoto lens, so can't get it closer. It's a solo bird. Oh, there's two of them. That one's just floating in the wind. The wind's getting stronger, so I think maybe I'll head down that way. Looks a little bit more protected. Maybe it won't be quite so windy after I crash into the shore here. So I better turn this off and do something about that. Must be another canal over there. I hear a boat. Hopefully he doesn't come over this way. I'm not that steady in this thing. Oops, here I go into the bank again. A little smaller stream or channel here, and I seem to be a little more protected from the wind. Been quite a few of those fish keep jumping out of the water. I'm not sure what they are in the sun. They look silverish, but I'm not sure what they are. It's a lily in bloom. Whoops, I'm gonna hit a branch. Clouds are pretty today. I had hoped to see more wildlife other than those vultures or hawks that I saw flying overhead before and a couple jumping fish. That's about it. Don't hear birds, don't see birds. You probably can't see it. There's a raccoon right there. Or is that a cat or a bobcat? I don't know what that is. Some kind of cat. Just checking me out, wondering. I guess a raccoon. That little slough, whatever you pronounce it, down by the campground. With the wind, I don't really have much time to film because it keeps blowing me into things, but just thought I'd try this, thinking maybe it'd be more secluded. And I guess there's a little less wind, but it's still a factor. Campground up there. Some of the cottages. Looks like I'm making a loop back to the main channel to the campground. It's marshier here, less trees. There was another bird flying up there, but it must have roosted in a tree. So towards where the boat launch is, but then I'll go past it and see what's down that direction. Although I don't know how much more my butt can take. My tailbone's pretty sore. Not used to this.